This is Mom making egg salad. The Mom cooking show.
First you take an egg. And you smash it on the ground. Or the table. And then you peel it. I can't do it. You peel it. Ah, this one's no good. Oh no. We'll try this one. You peel the eggshell, the egg, and then you peel it off. And then once you get all the eggshell off the egg, it look like this. Without the shell.
You just dropped one on the floor. And there's hair on it.
Ew. That's what else. Don't tell John.
You gotta get one of those audience members that, like, you know how when they're doing, like, they're like, it tastes so great, and they're like, does it really taste that good? Is it that easy?
Oh, pretty. Oh, there's another one.